Thank you for joining me today as we practice our blending. Are you ready to show off your phonics skills? Let's get started. To practice our blending skills, I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. For example, I will say s, and I want to hear you say sun. Are we ready? Have you got your listening ears switched on? Off we go. K, at, cat. Et, met. D, a, d. Dad. T, a, b. Tub. P, e, n. Pen. G, o, t. Got. P, it. Pit. O, n. On. K, a, n. Can. K, it. Kit. You're doing a great job. Keep going. B, a, g. Bug. N, o, d. Nod. E, d. Red. F, a, n. Fan. H, o, p. Hop. O, I, p. Lip. Well done. Keep going. V, e, t. Vet. H, a, t. Hut. W, I, n. Win. Qu, I, d. Quid. Y, e, t. Yet. B, ox. Box. Z, I, p. Zip. Excellent. Well done. And if you weren't sure on any, just keep trying. Well done. I'm really proud of you. Bye.